How to fix your Shopify payments account being on hold. Well, the first thing we can do is, as we can see here in the Help Center, when we search for why is my account on hold, it will tell you that maybe there's not enough information, or there's just more information required, which you have to give to the Shopify verification. Maybe you don't have maybe there's incorrect bank account details or product eligibility issues. This can also occur while you're already shipping and getting orders. You can also be put on hold. Maybe there's something wrong with the items being sold. Maybe they're not up to the standards of the Shopify store. Maybe there's some issue with that. And also, if you're just a staff member on the account, you can not really resolve this on your own. You have to seek help from the person who owns the store. So if you're the sole manager and owner of the store, you can fix that very easily. Just follow the steps here. You can email Shopify and legitimate your email and so on, so that issue will be resolved. And that's how you fix your Shopify payments account being on hold. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.